Hello everyone, here we are with a new recording mechanism. We'll see if it works any differently than the other one. So we have 45.0 centigrams per cubic centimeter, and we're going to change that to kilograms per cubic meter. So our first step will be to get rid of centigrams. So we'll put centigrams on the bottom of the conversion factor and put grams on the top. Once again, I'm just going to base units. Then, after we've gotten rid of our centigrams, after we've gotten rid of centigrams, we'll get rid of grams. And to do that, we're going to put grams on the bottom and kilograms on top. At that point, we have canceled out everything we need to cancel except kilograms, which is what we want. We don't need to cancel kilograms, so we'll have kilograms over cubic centimeters if we work the problem right now. We want kilograms per cubic meter. So I'm going to put cubic centimeters on top, and on the bottom I'm going to put cubic meters. I could put cubic millimeters on the bottom, but I'm assuming that once again that you don't know that relationship. So we'll go to cubic meters, the base unit. Then we'll put on top cubic millimeters, and on the bottom, I said that incorrectly. We need cubic meters on top, and on the bottom cubic millimeters. Okay, so I'm going to go through the cancellations here. We have centigrams. And we'll do a strike through on that, and they're canceled. And then we'll have kilograms canceled. Oh, we don't have kilograms canceled. We have grams canceled. So we have grams here and over here. Show them canceling out. So right now the only unit we have left in the numerator is kilograms right here. On the bottom we had cubic centimeters over here. I put cubic centimeters on the top there. That cancels them. And we have cubic meters on the bottom and cubic meters on the top here. So there's how they cancel. So I end up right now with kilograms over cubic millimeters. I'm not going to take time here to superscript the 3's. I think you probably realize they need to be superscripted. Now, which is bigger, a gram or a centigram? Grams are, so 1 gram is 100 centigrams. Which is bigger, a kilogram or a gram? Kilograms are bigger. Kilograms, 1,000 grams. Which is bigger, a cubic centimeter or a cubic meter? That'd be cubic meters. How many cubic centimeters in a cubic meter? There are 100 on the side of the cubic meter, so 100 times 100 times 100 is 1,000,000. And the last step, how many cubic millimeters in a cubic meter? That's 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000, because each side of the cubic meter has 1,000 millimeters in it, so that'd be 1,000,000,000. Okay, then we work out our answer, which is, let's see, I've got on the bottom here, I'll put the numbers. Maybe I can figure out how to do this quickly. I can. Okay, so we'll change the numbers that we're going to, I'm going to cancel out some stuff here. So those thousands on the bottom, and this billion is on the bottom. So that gives us 10 to the 12th on the bottom. On the top, I have a million. So it looks like that million, I'll put that in a different color. The million would cancel out 6 of these zeros. So now I still have 1,000 on the bottom, and another 1,000 on the bottom, and a 100 on the bottom. So if I was going to do the math for that, I would have, let's move a calculator in where you can see perhaps if this screen technology works. We would have, let's go back and do this. I'll put in green the zeros that canceled out. So on the top, I have just this 45. I'd have a 1 and a 1, and that's it. On the bottom, I have 100 and 1,000 and 1,000. So really, mathematically, it's 45 divided by 100, and then 3 more zeros for the 1,000, and 3 more zeros for the other 1,000. And it equals this number, which is 4.5 times 10 to the negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your final answer would be 4.5 times 10 to the negative 7th. Now there's one other catch. Do you know what that catch is? Look here. The number of sig figs up here is 3 sig figs. The number of sig figs here is 2 sig figs. So you need to put another 0 on so that you'll have 3 sig figs in your answer. So it's 4.50 times 10 to the negative 7th. The unit is kilograms over cubic millimeters.